Very good morning traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. For past 1 week we have not released any video because we had a Kerala trip tour, so we were busy in that. And yesterday and day before yesterday the market was market was on holiday for the morning session, and the evening session was open in the MCX market. So I had posted one screenshot of Crudeoil that target has been hit. Then newcomers have asked me, sir, how did he post this? What is the settings we have to use it? So for them I am releasing this exclusive video that how to trade in evening market, or what is meant by noon market, what is a night market and all. I will explain you shortly. And before that I will show you what happened in the previous days, because we have not released the video. As some people may think that because he has lost much amount in the market, that is why he is not releasing the video. It is not so. See here, when I stopped releasing video, it is on I think September 18th or 17th. Okay, but I will go to the indicator settings. I will go to the settings part. I will give you reset settings. Okay, I am not doing any changes, just keeping it reset. So this, when it happened, this is on September 13th. What happened here? See, you can see yourself. Buy activated, all the targets hit. Here sell activated, targets hit. Again buy activated, targets hit. I am showing in spot value. So then next day sell activated, targets hits. Again sell activated, target hit. Again sell activated, targets hit. Next day also on September 18th also. And what about yesterday? Yesterday, see, the high made was 45,745. Okay, but our entry was at 45,782. So we did not get the entry. But we have told you about the R3C pattern and the 360 format also. So if you used that technique, you would have taken sell entry here. Otherwise also no problem. Here you will be taking the buy entry. Okay, and we are in a profit only. Market has closed before it gives the target in the default settings. If you are keeping a tiny SL and tiny target, already you have got the target. Okay, because in Bank Nifty we are trying to keep tiny to SL and tiny to target to reduce the loss. In such cases, what happen? We have to enable the buy targets, because buy only got activated. So now see yourself closely. I am just zooming out. You can see what happened. So buy activated at 11:45 and target hit at 12:45. That's all, over. In such situation, okay, market is not moving in any one direction, or it is in a choppy range market, or you have missed the first entry in the morning session, then go to the settings, select the market type and keep noon market. See here, I went to the indicator settings only. I selected the market type and I am keeping noon market. When suppose if you have missed the first buy entry, first entry, or market is in a range market, it is not moving in any direction. So in the what happened, the noon market, we got the perfect buy entry and we have got the targets hit. So this is the another advantage what we are having inside our single indicator. So now let me show you about Crudeoil for the evening market. This is in case of noon market I have shown you. Now I will show you with the noon market, Crudeoil with the evening market. So Crudeoil, again what you have to do, go to the indicator settings and go to settings and give reset settings. So now you see in default mode what happened. In default mode, buy activated and all the targets hit. As I told you, if buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. That's all, very simple. So all the 3 targets have been hit. Your trading is over. Should not ask me, sir, after that what? After that close the system and go to sleep. That's all. Don't ask me what happens after that. We cannot predict the market. Once you book the profit, go to the bed and sleep or do other work. Don't be in a trading always. See here, first buy activated, first target, second target, third target, fourth target, fifth target. If I had kept one more option for sixth target, that also would have hit here, because of the storage problem in the trading view Pine script coding, I could not keep more values here. So hope it is clear, right? So this is with the default settings itself, we got the entry and we got the profit. Okay, now if you are keeping in noon market I am preferring only for the NSE, but if you want to test noon market in commodity also, you can test. So in noon market, what happened? This entry we will not be taking, and this entry also we will not be taking, this entry, because of the Bahubali candle. But this entry we will take it because the wick has closed above our zone and we have got the confirmation candle and we have got the target. So this is in case of noon market. And what happens in terms of evening market? Evening market, we have got the perfect buy entry. Also the wick has closed above our buy zone. So okay, so I have kept it in 5-15 minutes. If I are keeping in 5 minutes, so the entry will be perfectly have got. See here, this candle closed above the zone and this was the confirmation candle. At the retracement of 50%, we will be taking the entry somewhere here or closing price out the second candle. So we have got the very good profit. Since buy activated, this sell is invalid. And what about the night market? Come here and keep in night market. In night market also we got perfect sell entry. This entry is not valid. The first candle is a Bahubali candle who closed inside the zone, so it is not the valid. So this candle only valid. This candle closing below our zone, from there we are going to sell. Okay, this is the night market. Also we have given one more point. What is late night market? After 10 o'clock. Okay, if you want to make some profit, that also possible. See here, buy activated, first target has given. But here itself we know market is in a sell trend. Why? Because of this candle, this candle, this candle. Okay, R3C pattern, R3C pattern, R3C pattern. If you analyze also, you will be in a profit. If you don't analyze also, you will be blindly in profit. But one thing is, if you are following late night, always follow late night. If you are following evening market, follow always. One day if you are following that one, next day if you are following this one, surely will be in a loss. So whatever you are doing, you have to do it continuously. Okay, that's the thing. Then one more customer has asked me, sir, what is this MGR and DMGR? See, the MGR and DMGR and all just given the name, because Western people, they have kept CPR. I don't want to copy their name, so I kept MGR. That's all. So what is DMGR? DMGR I am giving for the dynamic MGRs, because this is in the dynamic zone. So D for dynamic, MGR is the common name. Then they are asking, what is this DTP, DBP, DMGR, first buy, this is first buy target 4, first sell target 4, second buy target 4, second sell target 4. This is dynamic zone buy target 1. This is bullish breakout. This is top point expected. This is Camarilla R3. This is previous day low. This is second buy zone midpoint. This is third buy zone midpoint. This is second buy zone top midpoint. This is second buy zone bottom midpoint. D means demand, B means bottom, P means pivot, T means top, P means pivot, top pivot, bottom pivot. This is third buy zone, third sell zone, top pivot. This is third buy zone, bottom pivot. So all this, what will happen? It will add the midpoint of the levels. Suppose say 1 minute, let me explain you with default settings. So now default has come. I will keep it in 15 minutes for better clarity. Okay, so now I will enable one thing. What is that? Where it's MGR. By default, MGR means it will be the midpoint, pivot point, the midpoint. After that, so I am selecting DTP. DTP means default top pivot. See here, the pivot point has come inside the zone. That is the DTP, top pivot. Then if you want bottom pivot, come here, BP. See, the same line will come here. See, bottom pivot. You don't have to analyze what is the midpoint. You don't have to take any average and all. So everything is given in a systematic way. Then what I have given? DMGR. This is the dynamic zone MGR. So that will show you dynamic zone. See here how it is taking the supports and all. So all those things you can follow. Then what? This is dynamic zone, top pivot. Dynamic zone, bottom pivot. First by target 4 and I explained. This is bullish breakout. So after this bullish breakout, and what is the bearish breakout? Where to enable? You can come down to the DMGR. The same thing here I have given also. So you can enable this bearish breakout. Okay. So after this, once the level has broken here, it has come down here. So like that I have given the various setups. Please go through and explore them one by one, so you will understand. Okay. So only one thing I will show you, and I will close the today's video. So I am enabling this second buy zone, second sell zone, third buy zone, and third sell zone. Okay. So now I will show you what is WDBP. What is WDBP? Which means this is the midpoint of the second buy zone. WDTP means midpoint of the second sell zone. So similarly, if you are taking MDTP, it will come here. MDBP, it will come here. That's all. All are just showing you the pivot point, because our indicator is based on the pivot point. So there will be two lines. If you want to know what will be the retracement value, so we are using that point only for the retracement value for the 50%. Okay. Hope it is clear. Any doubts, please ask us. Don't think that since we are not releasing the video, we are not in a loss. We are not in a loss. We will be in a profit always, because we are using a systematic way. We know where to enter. We know where to exit. We have been practicing the same indicator with the same strategy for many years. So we will be in a consistent profit only. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best. Wish you all happy, profitable day ahead. If you are not subscribed to our indicator and YouTube channel and Telegram channel, please subscribe and watch and give your valuable comments. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.